some of the properties of triangle related to its sides of a triangle. So the sum of the lengths of the sides of a triangle and the difference of the lengths of the sides of the triangle, the two sides which I have taken. So in some cases, if we take it 2, 3, 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. And when we try to construct a triangle with these measurements, let's draw. When we draw along this side 5 centimeters first, so we get this is 5 centimeters, and the other two sides are we have done with 5 centimeters. Now let's take 3 centimeters, make an arc with the compass. So using one of the point, we take 3 centimeters, make an arc. So we have done with the 3 centimeters, we completed. Now let's take 2 centimeters and when we take other vertex and try to join this vertex, but this will be unable to touch this another arc. So because this is 5 centimeters, it's along this side, and 3 centimeters we get in some extent we get this arc, and 2 centimeters we are unable to join with this arc to another arc. The triangle will not be formed. So what is the concept behind it is nothing but the length of this one on the side of a triangle is very less than the other two sides of a triangle. So these 2 centimeters are unable to touch the other two sides. So when we take this 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters here, 2 centimeters from this vertex, we are unable to cut this another arc. So this triangle will not be formed. And then the concept behind it is nothing but 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. When we add these two sides, 2 plus 3, that is equals to third side, plus 3 is equals to 5. In this manner, we don't get any kind of triangle. So we cannot construct this kind of triangle. So what type of the triangles we can construct in this are, we take instead of 2 centimeters, if we have taken 3 centimeters. Now let's observe. When we take this 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters, and we can construct this triangle because so 5 centimeters we have taken, and this is 3, and other one also 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. This both will be joining. So what is the concept behind it is, so if we take any two sides, that are 3 plus 3 is 5. It's not equal both. So 6 is not equal to 5, but it's greater than 5. So the sum of two sides is greater than 2/3 side. So when we compare with the other two sides, like other combinations when we take, so when we have taken first 2 first, so 3 we have taken, when we taken 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters, that means on the base we have taken the 3 centimeters. So let's add this both. So 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, and 3 centimeters here. These are non-equal. We know 8 and 3. So this is greater than to the third side. That means let us take some other combination also. That is 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. As earlier, we get the same thing. 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. We get the same. That is 5 plus 3 is greater than 3. So 8 is greater than 3. So what we understood here, that is the sum of two angles of a triangle, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than to third side. When we have taken only two sides of a triangle and we add them, that is greater than to third side. When this is possible, then only we can construct a triangle. If it is equal, then we cannot construct that kind of measurement, that kind of triangle without measurements. Because we take the kind of measurements, we are unable to construct a triangle with that. So up to now we have discussed about the property of triangle, that is nothing but the sum of the lengths of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. We have taken 3 sides and then we have added 2 sides of the triangle, and that is greater than the third side. all the combinations, we have taken, here we have taken 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. First 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters, 3 plus 3 is greater than 5 centimeters. And then we take the 5 centimeters first, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. In all the combinations, when we take all the measurements of triangle and when we add the first two sides of a triangle and then that is greater than the third side, the property is nothing but the sum of two sides of a triangle is the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Let's connect with the same thing with the difference between the two sides of a triangle. Instead of plus, let us take the minus. What will happen? Let us see here. As we know, we can construct a triangle using this. That is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. It will join when we try to construct a triangle with this using the measurements. So, instead of plus, let's find out the difference of the lengths of the two sides of a triangle. That is minus. So when we do minus, perfect. 3 minus 3 is greater. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So but the symbols will be changed. It's less than to third side. When we subtract two sides, it is less than to third side. We got. Let's see some other cases in this. So when we take another case, we have taken first two sides and then we subtract this both. This minus 2 is 3. So it is less than to third side. Let's take some other combination, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 is less than 3. That is in all the cases we got here. The difference of two sides of the triangle is less than the third side. Let's see. Difference between the two sides of a triangle. Difference between two sides of a triangle is less than to third side. Difference between two sides of a triangle is less than to third side. Difference between two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So in all the cases, we got this property. So the two properties what we have discussed is the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The difference of the lengths of the two sides of a triangle is less than the third side.